Are you looking for the best 3D projector screens? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D projector screens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HOIN Projector Screen with Stand 100-inch 16:9 HD 4K. The HOIN Outdoor Projector Screen is a 100-inch 16:9 HD 4K screen designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With a wide viewing angle of 160 degrees, this screen provides sharp and high-resolution images, enriched colors, and a supreme watching experience from any position. Setting up the screen is a breeze, taking only 5 minutes without the need for screws or tools. The lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame makes it easy to transport, and the included carrying bag ensures it stays protected. Made with natural polyester fabric, the screen is transparent and double-sided, with a high-definition coating that eliminates wrinkles and curling. Perfect for home theaters, schools, offices, weddings, and outdoor movie nights, the HOIN Outdoor Projector Screen is a versatile and convenient choice for all your projection needs. What we like: easy and quick setup, portable and lightweight, wide viewing angle. Number 2. YODOLLA 100-inch Motorized Projection Screen. The YODOLLA 100-inch Motorized Projection Screen is an electric projector screen with a smooth auto-lock mechanism that can be fixed at any length with its quiet motor. It has a 16:9 aspect ratio with a 4K high-definition image quality, making it perfect for home theater, school, business office, and even outdoor use. It can be easily installed on either the ceiling or the wall, and has a safer power connection style. The premium PVC matte projector screen provides a 160-degree viewing angle, 1.2 gain, and 3D divided by 4K divided by 1080p available. What we like: smooth auto-lock mechanism, 16:9 aspect ratio with 4K high-definition image quality, dual wall/ceiling mounted with easy installation. Number 3. Akia Screens Dual Projector Screen. The Akia Dual Projector Screen is a high-quality 120-inch screen that supports double-sided projection. With a 16:9 HD format aspect ratio and a 160 degrees viewing angle, this screen provides an immersive viewing experience for both indoor and outdoor use. The silk white dual material ensures sharp and vibrant images, making it compatible with 8K per 4K Ultra HD and active 3D projectors. The evenly spaced grommets allow for easy installation and stretching of the material, creating a taut and flat projection surface. Whether you want to set it up on a garage door frame, wall, tree, or pole support, this portable screen includes rigging cords for convenient installation. Additionally, Akia offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support for peace of mind. What we like: double-sided projection, high-quality silk white dual material, portable and easy to install. Number 4. Abdtech Portable Outdoor Movie Screen. Abdtech Movie Screen is a portable and foldable projector screen that provides an immersive viewing experience. With a 120-inch diagonal size, 160 degrees wide viewing angle, and a 16:9 aspect ratio, this screen offers a sharp and bright image quality. Made of high-quality polyester and spandex material, it is wrinkle-free and has a soft touch feeling. The unique screen edge design with a 3-side black border ensures flatness and stability, even in windy conditions. The screen comes with lightweight aluminum poles and a sturdy stand for easy installation. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for movie nights, parties, camping, and more. What we like: wrinkle-free and high-quality material, unique screen edge design for stability, lightweight and easy to carry. Number 5. ShowMaven 100 inches per 120 inches Fixed Frame Projector Screen. ShowMaven Fixed Frame Screen is a high-quality projector screen that comes in 2 sizes with a 16:9 aspect ratio, 100-inch diagonal, 53.7-inch HX 91.8W, and 120-inch diagonal, 63.8 hx 109.1 W. It has a 1.1 gain and a wide 160-degree viewing angle, making it perfect for 4K Ultra HD and active 3D projection. The screen is made of high-grade soft PVC material that is completely flat with no wrinkles or waves, enhancing the projector's image to make it more vivid and colorful. The sturdy beveled aluminum frame wrapped in black velvet material enhances the overall appearance and absorbs overflowing light from the projector, making the edges really crisp. The black backing avoids light penetration, ensuring no light loss through the screen material. The assembly is quick and easy with a 6-piece split aluminum, and it is straightforward to set up. This screen is ideal for home theaters, teaching appliances, conference rooms, or any applications in which incident light is a factor. What we like: wide viewing angle, high-grade PVC material, sturdy aluminum frame, high light resolution, easy installation.